For homeowners in Maricopa, new window installation brings immediate benefits, better insulation, improved aesthetics, and greater energy efficiency. But to ensure your windows perform at their best throughout the year, a little seasonal care goes a long way. Maricopa's desert climate is unique. With its hot summers, cool winters, and occasional dust storms, your home's windows face constant environmental stress. Proper maintenance not only extends their lifespan but also keeps them looking great and functioning smoothly year-round. Here are seasonal maintenance tips to help you get the most from your new windows in every season. Spring. Deep clean and inspect for winter wear. Spring in Maricopa brings mild weather, the perfect time to inspect your windows after the cooler months. Clean glass and frames thoroughly. Use a non-abrasive cleaner and a microfiber cloth to remove winter dust and water spots. Pay special attention to corners where dirt can collect. Check for drafts or small leaks. Even with new installations, temperature fluctuations can cause slight shifts. Run your hand around the window edges to feel for air leaks and reseal if needed. Inspect screens and seals. Spring is the ideal season to clean and reinstall screens if you removed them during winter. Check that weather stripping and rubber seals are still flexible and intact. Routine spring maintenance ensures your windows are ready to handle the intense summer heat ahead. Summer. Protect against heat and dust. Summers in Maricopa are famously hot, with temperatures often soaring above 100 degrees Fahrenheit. During these months, your windows work hardest to keep your home cool and energy efficient. Close blinds or curtains during peak sunlight. This reduces heat gain and protects your window frames from prolonged UV exposure. Inspect window caulking. Extreme heat can cause caulk to crack or shrink. Check exterior seals and reapply a high-quality, UV-resistant silicone caulk where needed. Clean tracks and moving parts. Dust and sand can build up in sliding or crank-style windows, making them harder to operate. Use a small brush or vacuum to remove debris and apply a light, non-greasy lubricant to the tracks. Regular summer maintenance helps your windows maintain their efficiency, keeping cool air in and scorching air out. Fall. Prepare for temperature swings. Autumn brings pleasant temperatures, but it's also a transitional period when your windows should be checked to ensure they're ready for cooler nights. Check locks and hardware. Make sure all handles, cranks, and locking mechanisms are functioning smoothly. Tighten any loose screws. Inspect frames for expansion or warping. The summer heat can cause minor expansion in some materials. Professional adjustments can prevent long-term alignment issues. Clean exterior surfaces. Dust storms are common in Maricopa's dry months. Cleaning frames and glass now prevents buildup that could scratch the surface later. By tackling these small tasks in fall, you'll ensure your windows remain sturdy and weather-ready when winter arrives. Winter. Keep warm air in and moisture out. Even though Maricopa winters are mild compared to other regions, cooler desert nights can make homes feel drafty if windows aren't properly maintained. Inspect seals and insulation. Make sure the weather stripping is still tight and the caulk around your windows hasn't deteriorated. Replace any worn materials to maintain energy efficiency. Clean interior condensation. Slight condensation on windows during cold mornings is normal but should be wiped away to prevent mold or mildew growth. Keep windows locked. Closed and locked windows create a tighter seal, reducing the loss of warm air and blocking out cool drafts. These small winter habits help preserve comfort while keeping energy bills manageable. Year-round tips for Maricopa homeowners. In addition to seasonal upkeep, a few consistent habits will help your windows last for decades. Wipe window frames regularly to prevent dust accumulation. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage coatings or seals. Schedule a professional inspection every 1 to 2 years to ensure hardware and insulation remain in top condition. Final thoughts: new windows are one of the best investments you can make for your Maricopa home. But protecting that investment requires simple, consistent care. By following these seasonal maintenance tips, you'll keep your windows functioning efficiently, looking beautiful, and performing their best against the desert's challenges. With a little attention throughout the year, your windows will continue to provide comfort, energy savings, and lasting curb appeal, season after season.